Shenzhen Changdaneng Technology Co Limited, established in 2011, is a set of product design, research and development, production, sales, service enterprises, has more than 10 years of experience in the production and manufacturing of outdoor lighting. The main products are solar lamps, LED wall lamp, LED dock lamp, LED garden lamp, LED lawn lamp, etc. We has a number of outdoor LED lighting products patent, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. Selling well in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as United States, Jordan, India, Spain, France, Saudi Arabia, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our company adhering to the courtesy and honesty, innovation and development, environmental protection, the concept of people-oriented. We in the production of green energy lamp products at the same time. We will be better and have higher quality products return society. The company has a complete and scientific quality management system. Shenzhen Changdaneng Technology Co Limited's integrity, strength, and product quality has been recognized by the industry. Whether selecting a current product from our catalog or seeking engineering assistance for your application, you can talk to our customer service center about your sourcing requirements.